Hello, Benjamin. It's about time we have a little chat with you, isn't it? Our roasts last time were all just fun and games.
Why? Why would you do this? What did I ever do to any of you to make you say those incredibly hurtful things?
But now I'm being deadly serious here. Just because you're a more experienced driver, and have the skills to back it up, that isn't an excuse to not be a considerate driver to those who aren't on your level of God tier, as you so humbly put it. So I've put together a series of lessons in considerate behaviour and etiquette for you. I hope they help, Honda boy.
Oh, hell no! Go on, get! Oh, you dick! That's what you get for tangling with a Honda.
Lesson number 1. Cyclists. As a cyclist myself, I often find myself triggered by your lack of patience and empathy towards them. Yes, they can be idiots, but a lot also haven't been taught the rules of the road. They are vulnerable, and believe it or not, are also people too. That guy who holds you up before you have to wait at a red light anyway? He's the surgeon who saved you from your killer appendix. That geezer minding his own business in the cycle lane? Could be a dad or granddad. That woman who takes the lane without looking? Your fiancé, mother, daughter? You get the point. Learning to anticipate their movements long before they inevitably don't do proper observations themselves can save them from being hit, and you from the anger of reacting instead of planning. So how did you get on with lesson 1?
Well, the latest exciting thing's being birthed, isn't it?
Fuck, man! Fucking dickhead!
What are you... Oh, God.
Just fucking tried launching yourself in front of me like fucking looking, the silly cunt.
Jesus, man. Well, I can't say I haven't encountered something similar since I wrote this script.
Oh my god! Fucking idiot.
Some of them are just truly beyond help, no matter how much as drivers plan for them, so, let's just crack on with lesson 2 instead, shall we? Lesson number 2. Leaving gaps. I'm not going to spend long on this one because I know you already know how to do Okay, maybe not. Well, dear Benji, this one is simple anticipation. Even if you're not told to keep clear, not like you pay attention to it anyway, it's a good idea to leave a gap for a junction anyway. Simple, right? Okay, now the bit you have the problem with. Lesson number 3. Waiting and not waiting.
Go on before I change my mind. Alright, fine, didn't bother then. I got a 3-second rule now, Alex. If they didn't go within 3 seconds, I'm not going to let them go.
I think you should make it 2.
2 seconds. Alright, fine.
Right, okay, so, before you bring up this clip from my latest video, I waited as long as I could there. When I continued, there was a string of traffic in their way, and a long line of traffic probably getting impatient behind me, so knowing when to continue without looking like a dick is very important in this lesson. If they can no longer go, then you go. If not, just wait. Easy. A fine example of someone trying to be considerate and in the process being an idiot instead is this clip.
It's a balancing act, isn't it, between the excess deaths that are going to be caused by a lockdown and the excess deaths that would be caused if you did nothing.
Yeah, it's a massive
what are you doing?
tightrope walking.
You've got 3 cars behind you, man. Come on. I'm already pulled in.
I just have no words for this. This isn't even part of your lesson, I just wanted to show you this to rant about it.
Oh, I don't have a wall.
Why did he stop me for that? Amazing me, why did he stop me for that? That truck was not even on my side of the road, was he?
Yeah,
Idiot.
yeah. He's not bad. He's not bad too.
Yeah.
Kind of the opposite of my clip, this one, wasn't it? Why on earth did he get you to stop? But, kudos for stopping and not running the guy over, I guess?
Literally as the bus pulls off as well. I made a mess out of that. I should have just kept going.
Now don't get me wrong, this lesson can sometimes feel like the world says fuck you to your kindness. Like with this example, I had to lean over and physically wave them through. Twice. And because of their hesitance...
It's been criticised. Sainsbury's has followed Tesco and it'll give back the money to the government's business.
Fuck off, lights. I don't like you.
Come on, I'm not stopped here for nothing. Are you going to go or are you just going to sit there? Make your mind up or I'm going to go. Go. Yes, there we go. Come on. You're welcome as well. Go on, I'll let you go. I'll let you go. I'll let you go. I'll let you go. Go on then. Go on then. Go on then. Go on then. Seeing as there's nothing behind me, I thought I'd be nice to you. There you go. I'm fucking lovely today. I'm gonna be nice. I'm gonna be nice.
You are gonna be nice.
I'm gonna be nice. There you go, Charles. I was nice. That's the first night. I've been waiting all day to do something nice, and I finally did it. I feel like my life is complete now.
Okay. You're getting somewhere now. Lesson number 4. Reversing to help. On occasions, reversing can be an option to help out other drivers. This Merc in this clip decides to do the right thing upon realising that a car wishes to turn right, and he has blocked their path. Despite no keep clear markings, it would have been wise for him to stop sooner, but he quickly rectifies the situation and everyone gets on with their day. Let's see how you did with this one.
Oh dear.
I will do the nice thing. I will reverse back in so she can come in, even though it's the BMW i5, whatever, stupid, ridiculous car driver. I will be the nice person today. You're welcome.
Oh, that's a big thumbs
That was.
up.
Do you see the size of his smile as well?
Oh, I know.
I feel so much better now.
I've never been more proud of you. You're truly becoming the perfect god-tier driver, Benji. Just one final lesson. Lesson number 5. Pedestrians. Needless to say, they require a lot of our care. I for one always slow down a little before a crossing, especially if my view is blocked, as this can happen.
Happiest person of the month. She didn't look too impressed, did she?
And in a situation like this, well, I was never going to try and squeeze past them. All my years of drinking haven't made me lose that many brain cells.
No worries. No worries.
So how are you with pedestrians? I dread to think, considering you somehow didn't see this car. I'm never going to let this one go, by the way.
The fuck did he come from? Go on then, go on. Where did he come from, Alexei?
Right?
I am so proud of you, Benji. Not only did you not give any reaction to that extremely rude bloke,
Thank you.
No,
You should have done
You
that.
shouldn't have done that, no.
but you went out of your way to help this cute old dear and her granddaughter. Before proceeding to rant for the millionth time about how someone didn't thank you.
I would have appreciated a thank you, by the way. But,
Well, she can.
No, the other lady could have like smiled and nodded her head or something. You're welcome as well, you rude little fuck. And thank you, Benji. Thank you for stopping. You didn't have to stop, but thank you.
Oh yeah, so random woman's just gonna go like this.
No, I'm in a good mood now, and people ruining my good mood because they didn't never say fucking thank you. You're all a bunch of villains. I've tried 3 times so far because Charles wants me to do something nice, yeah? He wants a bunch of nice
You
stuff.
do, but the thing is, you do quite nice things. You do a load of nice things.
Like what?
Well, you do let people go. You let cars go.
Yeah,
You give them
and then I get
chances.
angry at them because they didn't
yeah,
fucking
right,
move.
okay, yeah.
I can't bother anymore.
But I can't believe it. You've actually gone and packed it. Never mind. You clearly can't be trusted with a vehicle. So I'm afraid we've all put together this rather sobering message for you.
Merry Twatmas, you miserable cunt. Let's hope Santa brings you a real license this year instead of the one you got in a cereal box last time. Love you really, Benji.
Merry Gitmas, Benji, you big idiot. It's your favourite Irish person. The only driving you should be doing is to buy Alexei gin for the crap she puts up with. Thank you for being lovely, though, and making us smile during this mess of a year.
I just wanted to wish you, Alexi, and the kids a Merry Christmas. And I wanted to thank you, Benji, for all you've done to support me this year. And here's to many more tinfoil hat investigations in 2021.
Hey, Benji. Dickhead. Ugh, your driving is... it's terrible. Just kidding. I really appreciate you, in all honesty, and putting it shortly, you've been a great help and a huge support for me, especially during recent events. You've been there through me through the worst of the shit and always make me laugh, no matter the darkest of the days. You're a huge sweetheart, and your constant quote-unquote bullying and picking on my terrible jokes is stupidly comforting no matter what. You're a big softie, and you're a really great guy, and I really do appreciate you a hell of a lot, and I hope hearing this makes you smile as much as you have made me smile over the recent days. Hope this finds you well, keep trucking. All my love, KK.
Hi husband, I just want to say you're kind, you're caring, you're such an amazing daddy to our girls. Even though you can be really, really annoying at times. But we all love you so much.
I love you, Daddy!
Now for APC's section, I secretly recorded him to see what he really genuinely thinks of you.
That knobhead. He's a bit of a nerd, he fails at tech a lot. He especially fails at Discord. I've basically taught him how to Discord.
And then I asked what he really genuinely thinks of you.
Merry Christmas, Daddy Benji, I love you. Mwah.
Hey Benji, Darren's here. I wish you and your family a nice Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you for your crazy dashcam videos and being there for your community.
Merry Christmas to everybody on the Discord, Benji, and everyone watching this right now. I am literally on the way home on a bus right now, but I have to wish you all Merry Christmas. Thank you very much for organising this mess, this crazy idea of getting everyone to say Merry Christmas. So, Merry Christmas, and we'll see you guys in a bit. Bye!
Hey Benji, it's Jack. Just want to wish you, Alexi, and the kids a Merry Christmas. Hopefully 2021 will be a better year for everyone. And stay away from the idiots next time.
Now then, bro. It's my turn. Thank you so much for all of your help, advice, and everything you've done for me this year. It has really helped out a ton from both the YouTube standpoint of things, but also my own mental health and everything else. You know, whether you would, whether we're doing like a project together or a podcast, or we're just having a general chat about shite. You're an awesome guy to chat with, work with. But I hope you enjoyed this secret little roast video. What you do with this is entirely up to you. I'm not too bothered. I just made it because I wanted to give back. You know, more than just being one of your longest standing diamond patrons. And I hope you enjoyed seeing and hearing from some familiar names and faces. Here's to 2021 and the potential future projects if COVID ever fucks off. And now to close us out, for some reason Mango wanted to do 2 videos, so here's his other one.
It was a cold Christmas Eve all around the house. Not a sound can be heard, not even a mouse. Benji stands at the tree, waiting for his gifts, not realising who's behind him, with an explosive gift. Merry Christmas to you and everyone to watch. It's time to leave this year behind us, thank God.